welcome. Today we are continuing with Geography Paper 1, Question 9. Give 3 examples of West Coast deserts: Namib, Atacama, Californian, the Great Sandy Desert of Australia. Question 9b1. Apart from the rock pedestals, name 4 other features formed due to wind erosion in arid regions: Zugen, Yardungs, mushroom block, deflation hollows, millet seed sand grains, oases, ventifacts. Question 9b2. With the aid of a well-labeled diagram, describe how a rock pedestal is formed. 7 marks. It's formed from this to this. So initially, there existed an outcrop rock mass with horizontal and alternating layers of hard and soft rocks. The heterogeneous rock lies on the path of prevailing wind on a desert. The rock was weakened by both weathering and wind abrasion. The soft layers are eroded faster, thus forming hollows. The hard layers are worn out slowly, hence budge. Abrasion is greater at the lower part of the outcrop rock, thus creating undercutting. With time, this resulted in an irregular rock pillar with a narrow base called a rock pedestal. So the initial heterogeneous rock. So after being weakened by weathering and wind abrasion, now it goes to rock pedestal. Question 9c. Explain 4 factors that influence the rate of wind transport. The strength and the speed of the wind. A strong wind transports heavier and more materials than a weak wind. Presence of obstacles such as an outcrop rocks and vegetation reduce the wind speed, hence reducing its capacity to transport materials. Nature of the materials transported. Light particles such as dust are transported to great distances, while heavier sand and pebbles over short distances. Wind transport is effective during a hot and dry season. Weather changes such as torrential rain washes airborne particles to the ground. Question 9d. State 3 negative influence of desert features. Advancing sand dunes can be barriers across transport lines such as roads. Spreading sand dunes encroach onto productive land, hence desertification. Flash floods from torrential rains in deserts deposit materials that block roads. Excess surface runoff flowing in one day may sweep away and drown people.